And it's not the starry sky. My baby told me with a sigh, seeing birds that came across as a down.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm back again, and here today we want to make that delicious Ewa Agoyin. For some time now I've been seeing that there's no Ewa Agoyin in my area, and growing up Ewa Agoyin used to be our run to Ewa Agoyin with yam. Omo, that yam is always bang, as in the bang. But today I'm going to show us how to make Ewa Agoyin. Ewa Agoyin. Let's go. So the ingredients, we have our dry tatashe, which is very important. Today I'm not using the seed because I could not get hold of the seed in my area, but of course you can improvise. So I have my scotch bonnet and I have bawa. So it is very important, especially the dry tatashe. Then we have our beans. You can use any kind of beans, either the black eye beans, you can use the honey beans, or the drum, the one we call drum, that's the brown beans. But the best option is the brown beans actually. Then we have a lot of onion, because for Ewa Agoyin, trust me, onions is so important. And we have our palm oil, we have manla, we have seasoning to taste, then we have salt, and you're looking at eggs. Yeah, because we have modernized Ewa Agoyin. In this day Ewa Agoyin, you have eggs, you have manla, you even have pomo, but I'm not using pomo today. I'm only using two protein, which is egg and panla. And yeah, that's our ingredients for today. And the first thing for us to do when we want to cook Ewa Agoyin is for us to wash our beans very well. You see that I'm using the brown beans, and I'm going to wash it thoroughly because I don't want anybody purging. Okay, so I'm going to parboil my beans after cooking it for about 10 minutes. So I parboil it just so I can get out all the dirt, and that's it. Parboil my beans, and I'm going with a lot of onion because for beans onion is important. Onion is important for beans. So that's what we are doing. I've put in my onion and I've put salt to taste. Now we want to make the Ewa Agoyin sauce like the professionals. So after I have soaked my dry pepper in hot water for about 2 hours, I'm here blending it. I'm going to blend it to smooth. Let's say roughly smooth. I'm going to blend it roughly smooth. And the first thing to do after that is to go in with my palm oil. So here there's something. We are not trying to bleach the oil here. We are just trying to make it hot for some minutes. And after that, I go in with a lot of onion. Then I stir. I want the onion to go brown. Take off the onion and go in with my pepper, the pepper that we blended the other time. Yeah, so you stir very well. So one thing about Ewa Agoyin sauce is for you to stir it well. We are not burning, it's not burning, it is only trying to bring out all the water. So we continue to stir and stir and stir and stir, and trust me, you can now go in with your seasoning, taste and adjust it, go in with all your proteins. With a little crayfish because I love to be extra sometimes. And that's it. Ewa Agoyin sauce is so simple to make. Just get the right ingredients and trust me, you're good to go. And this is us. Look at the Ewa Agoyin, guys. Look at it. Isn't this beautiful? Come to the studio and have some taste with us. So for more of this video, you like, share and subscribe to Dr. Shina Aladejubelo on YouTube and follow us on all our social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you with another banging episode.
And this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as you die.